In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Minecraft without mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about all of the ways in which you will be able to play Minecraft without using a mouse. So I'm going to be talking about the options of using a trackpad, using a controller, and a final one, which is going to eliminate the need for those altogether. Or the most basic way to play without a mouse, if you are using a laptop, all that you have to do is use the trackpad. The trackpad is built into your laptop and it allows you to look around. So it is essentially a mouse built into your laptop. If you want to look towards the right, you swipe towards the right with your finger, you swipe towards the left, swipe up, swipe down, and so on. It takes a little bit of you getting used to, and it's not as precise and comfortable as a mouse. However, it is still going to be an option if you are desperate to play and you don't have access to an external USB mouse. So I always recommend just using the trackpad first. You will not have to go out of your way to get a mouse, purchase one, and it is going to be available on every single laptop. But let's say you are trying to do this on a PC or your trackpad is not working. The next best option would be to connect a controller. If you are playing on Minecraft Bedrock, it is going to have full controller support. For Java, you can also play using a controller, but you will need to download mods. So keep that in mind. For Java, it is only going to work if you download a specific mod. Once you have the controller connected to your PC, all of the buttons will work. You can look around using the right joystick, you can move your character using the left joystick, and you can do all sorts of actions with the bumpers, the triggers, and the buttons. But finally, let's say you don't have access to a trackpad and you don't have access to a controller. My last recommendation would be to go into the accessibility options on Windows and enable mouse keys. So navigate to this window using your arrow keys and your keyboard, and once you get here, you can enable mouse keys. This is going to allow you to use your numeric keypad to move your mouse pointer. So if your keyboard has the numpad, like this one for example, what you can do is use these buttons to look around. Once again, it is not going to be 100% reliable and comfortable, but it is still an option if you are desperate to play and you don't have access to any of the other methods that I mentioned. So you will use your numpad to look around. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.